All right, moving on to our next J-pop artist. We have a very controversial one. Can you guess which one it is?
Autumn.
You're a genius. Oh man, this artist reminds me of the first time we recorded this, where I pressed the A button on the keyboard and it turned into a microwave. 7 is generous on the goat meter. All right, next.
The microwave.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I've completely forgot about that until you mentioned it.
Yo, I reenacted Otto's discography.